Welcome to the 2009 Bahamas Weather Conference web channel.
Well, last year our forecast was quite successful. We predicted a pretty active season in April, June, and August, and that's just about what we had. We had a total of 16 named storms, 8 hurricanes, and 5 major hurricanes last year. With our early April and June predictions, we called for 15 named storms, 8 hurricanes, and 4 major hurricanes. So certainly our forecast last year was quite successful.
Now, you can only live off that for a short time because then the new forecast comes out. Tell me about 2009.
Well, we've actually recently put out a new forecast on Tuesday, April 7th, and with that forecast, we downgraded our predictions a bit. We're now calling for about an average hurricane season. Our predictions for 12 named storms, 6 hurricanes, and 2 major Category 3, 4, 5 hurricanes this year. That's about the average 1950 to 2000 hurricane season.
Why downgrade? What were the things that you saw that led you to reduce the numbers?
Well, there were 2 primary factors. First of all, last winter we had a weak La Nina event, and that's moderated somewhat. Right now we have about neutral conditions, but there is the potential that we may see a weak to moderate El Nino event this summer and fall. If we get El Nino, which is anomalously warm water in the central and eastern tropical Pacific, that basically what that does is it increases levels of vertical shear in the Atlantic, making conditions less conducive for storm formation and intensification. We also have waters that have cooled quite a bit in the tropical Atlantic over the past couple of months. They were well above average last fall, but they've cooled actually somewhat below average over the past couple of months. If those waters remain cooler than normal during the hurricane season, it basically means less fuel for developing tropical cyclones.
How much change can there be in water temperatures between now and the start of hurricane season, and also in the El Nino?
Well, there can be significant changes, especially with El Nino. If they're going to develop, they tend to develop during the April through June period. So we're going to certainly be watching some forcing factors over the next couple of months, and we hope to have a lot more to be able to say a lot more confidently whether we're going to have an El Nino or not by the time of our June update on June 2nd. With the Atlantic, we saw the waters cool anomalously by about anywhere between 1 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit from November to April, so we could see a change in temperatures of 1 to 2 degrees Fahrenheit in terms of an anomaly perspective over the next couple of months as well.